Hi everyone, welcome back. Till now we understood basic Java concepts. Now it's time to actually start coding. In this video, we will install Java and set up our environment and write our first Java program, Hello World. Like I mentioned in the previous videos, we need JDK to write and execute our programs. So let's download Java. In this video, I'm setting things up on a MacBook. If you are a Windows user, don't worry, the process is very similar and you will be able to follow the same steps. Before installing Java, let's see if we have already installed JDK. So to check this, let's open terminal and let's type a command java -version. So this gives the Java current version. Yeah, it just says unable to locate Java runtime and we don't have Java. So let's close this and come back to the Google and check for Java download. Yeah, so let's open Oracle download and I will provide this link in the description. You can check it out. The latest version is JDK 25. So like I already mentioned, we need only the JDK to develop the application in this series. So I'll select for Mac OS and I have a Apple chip, so I'll go with ARM and I will go with the DMG installer. So let's wait till it downloads. Yeah, once done, let's open. And then this is how the Java installer looks like. Let's click on continue. Install for all users, yes. And yeah, you can choose the install location. I'll just keep this for default. Yeah, so the installation is done. Now let's open the terminal and check for the Java version. Yeah, you can see the Java version 25.0.1 is downloaded and yeah, it's ready to go. So the next step is to download IDE. So IDE means integrated development environment. It's a tool that helps us write Java programs more easily. Instead of typing everything in a normal text editor, an IDE gives us suggestion while typing or highlights errors immediately and also helps run our program with one click and manages files automatically. In this series, I'll be using IntelliJ IDE. To do this, go to Google and search for download IntelliJ and click on the first link. And I will also provide this URL in the description, so you can refer that. And you can select which one you want to download. And here, if you are using Windows, you can select here and you can download this version here. I'm using Mac OS, so I'm downloading this DMG file and let's download. So download is completed. So let's drag and drop this to application and your IntelliJ is ready to go. Yeah, so it's done. Let's open IntelliJ and when you open for the first time, it will ask us to confirm user agreement. Let's accept it. And you can select don't send or send anonymous statistics. It's up to you. And you can give the permissions. Yeah, now let's start. Let's click on new project and this will go to the settings page where by default I selected Java here. Let's write it as my first Java project. Okay, and then here it asks for JDK. It automatically selected the location. This is where the Java is located in the system. And there is something called add sample code, which we can check it as if you are a beginner, but currently I don't check this, as I want to show how to write a project. So I'm just unchecking this. You can even check this, and I'll also show that how it works. And yeah, let's create. This is how the project looks like, and every project has a source folder. We have to write our Java classes inside this folder. So let's start with creating one Java class, and let's name it as the first class, and it's created. So public class, first class, and inside this we have to write the method which is public static void and main. Inside this we have to write string args. Every Java program starts with a class, and inside this there should be a main method, and that's when the execution begins. Before we run this, let's see how to increase the font size. Let's move to full screen now. Let's zoom in this font a little bit so it's clear. So to do this, we have to go to settings, and then editor, general, and change font size with this. That is, we can zoom in. Okay, we will apply this. So here you can zoom in the font. I think this is better now. Inside class we have a main method. This is where the Java execution begins. So let's run this program. We just have to click on this run. If you see, our application executed successfully, and we didn't do anything inside main, so that's why nothing is visible here. So let's print something here. So to print anything, we have to use system.out.print, and then write something like let's learn Java. Right, and then execute this. Yeah, you can see the output, let's learn Java. System.out.print is used to print output on the screen. So here we are simply putting some text to print. Don't worry if this looks confusing right now. We will break down every line in upcoming videos. So in this video, we installed Java and we set up IntelliJ and we wrote our first Java program successfully. In the next video, we will learn about variables, which is the base of every program you write. Thanks for watching.